You've worked on a track for 30 hours or maybe even more. You're so excited to share it with the world, but now what? Of course, you want your release to be as perfect as you possibly can, so you're looking for someone to get that last 10% out of your mixdown and your mastering. You are happy with the sound of the track. Now you just need a cover art and a little promo video to really grab people's attention. So you're also hiring someone else to do this for you. Everything's set now and ready to go. But what you didn't think about was, how do people get on these fancy playlists? A friend told you that you can actually pay someone to get Spotify promotion to grow your plays and trigger the algorithm. So you decide to do that, and that's the next step. You also hire a Spotify playlist plugger. Now, at the end of this, you look at your bank account and realize that you're pretty broke from all the costs you've made to promote your track and finish the mixdown and stuff. My big question is, can you do it differently without making any costs? First of all, the solution will not be easy, and secondly, needs a lot of hard work, but in the long run, it's absolutely worth it and there's absolutely no budget necessary. The key to success is networking. Networking. But how do you get in touch with the right people or the companies that deliver the services you need? This is where the topic of the week comes in handy. Working for free. First, you should do some research on who you want to contact and what the person exactly does. Then you need to start thinking about how you can add value to that person's life and just message them directly actually. Maybe you think their homepage could use some improvements. Maybe you have some visual or design skills that you can offer to them. The possibilities are endless. Even if you can't think of anything you might have to offer, you can still offer your manpower at promoting their stuff in your producer network. Or you can just comment and like on their social media so they have some engagement going on. People will definitely recognize it. Now, I'm not talking about doing it once or twice. You have to be very consistent and patient with this. You have to do it daily. As I pointed out in the beginning, it's a long-term plan. It's not gonna happen overnight. So let's say you've worked for them for a few times now. Now you're actually in contact with them and they trust you because you're basically one of the good guys. But in the meanwhile, you kept your own artist stuff silently so far. You haven't pushed them into listening to your music or clicking your track on Spotify. Now the funny thing is, because you are friends with them now online, they will actually find out about your music and other personal stuff, and you will be surprised about how many opportunities this will create. People will return a favor when you need it. Let's say you've put out that new track of yours. Suddenly, they're putting it into their big playlist by their own. Or finally, someone else actually listens to your demo, as you don't need to email them to their overloaded demo email box. Or they connect you to that other key person that will have great value for your own career. I could go on forever. You're now part of their inner circle, which is exactly where you want to be. You know, it's simple. Share the love and you will receive love. The more you do it, the bigger and the better the opportunities and your network gets. One last tip. Don't ever judge people on their following or just on that other stupid numbers like followers or likes. Don't be that person. First of all, it's just stupid. We all start with 0 followers and you never know where that relationship may take you or who they know. It has happened a ton of times to me already. Always be nice and gentle with everyone and you'll be successful sooner or later. And it's actually way more fun to live this way. Try it out yourself and start this week. Let me know your experience in the comments. I would love to hear your personal story and experiences.